Shift templates are used to create the actual shifts later on. To create a new one, click the green button in the top right corner, and you can give them a name, a start time, and an end time. And I've already got a few over here, but I'll just go through this as an example. So I have shift 1, and maybe you'll have it start at 9 a.m. and end at 5 p.m. You can also choose times with this time selector here if you want. You can also add a shift idle period, which is good for times when people go on break or on lunch and the machines are going to be stopped. So, for example, maybe we'll have 12 p.m. to 12:30 p.m. And then you would click save, except I've already got it over here, and so I'm just going to click cancel. Here, this one starts at 5 p.m. and ends at 1 a.m. And this one here is a alternate for potentially Christmas Eve, which maybe at your company people have a half day or they only have one shift on Christmas Eve. And so this one has a start time of 9 a.m. but has an end time of 3 p.m. And you can, when you're making shift template groups later, then you can drag that onto whatever day Christmas Eve falls on that year.